Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your public relations with Cision easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Cision account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features. Begin by accessing the media database. Use the search bar to find relevant contacts for your campaign. Filter results based on your specific needs, such as location or industry. Once you have a list, save your selected contacts to a new or existing media list. Next, move to the Press Release tool. Click on Create a new press release. Fill in all required fields, including the headline, subheadline, and body content. Make sure to add multimedia elements, like images or videos, to enhance your release. After drafting, review your press release for accuracy and clarity. When you're satisfied, select the distribution options that best fit your target audience. Schedule your press release for immediate or future distribution. Next, track engagement metrics for your released content. Use Cision's analytics tools to monitor pickup and audience response. Adjust your strategy based on these analytics to improve future campaigns. Finally, utilize Cision's reporting features to compile data and insights into a comprehensive report. This will help you assess the overall effectiveness of your public relations efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.